everyone, welcome back to Som Son Saga. I am Som and with me my incredible partner Thisan. Today we are taking you on a two-wheeled adventure through the heart of Vietnam, exploring the lively street markets that define the beautiful country. As we are going through the street, it feels like we are in the heart of Vietnam's daily rhythm. You know, the kind of rhythm that connects us all, no matter where we are from. And as you can see, she is handling the scooter like a boss. And me, I'm just enjoying the ride. We are not just riding, we are on a mission to explore and share the good vibes with you. So everyone, get ready for Indian in Vietnam, where we are not just checking out markets but soaking in the real deal of Vietnam. It's all about color, sound, and delicious smells. And we want you to be a part of it. Get ready now because we are about to reach the market. This is Som Son Saga, Indian in Vietnam market, where every adventure feels like a high five from across the globe. And yes, as you are going through the video, please let us know in the comment what we can improve, what kind of videos you want to see, so we can work on that. Alright folks, we are about to step into the market. Get ready, it's Indian in Vietnam time. And we are driving in right now. Hang tight. Here we go everyone, Som Son Saga is officially on the Vietnamese street market. Let's have some fun! As I have entered the market, I just realized it's a vibrant raw food market. And let me tell you, the energy here it's palpable. It's a feast for the eyes, with stalls brimming with fresh produce, colorful vegetables and cuts of meat that will make any food lover heart skip a bit. Take a look around. This market is heaven for anyone who loves to cook. From the juiciest cut of meat to the freshest vegetable, everything screams quality and authenticity. Now she and me, we are on a mission to explore the incredible variety this market has to offer. It's not just about the ingredients. It's about connecting with local food culture and the passionate vendors who make it all happen. As we walk around, you can hear the market buzz with excitement. Vendors are calling out their specials. There are sound of chopping and the smell of food being cooked on the spot. It's a foodie's dream come true. But it's not just about the food. Each vendor has a story, a passion for what they do. It's just like a big food family where everyone comes together to share their love for fresh, tasty ingredients. That's the Vietnamese culture. Guess what we have found? A whole bunch of raw meat. It's like a feast for meat lovers. There's beef, chicken and all sort of cuts just waiting to be turned into something delicious. And the air here smells so savory. You can see the butchers doing their thing, cutting and preparing the meat. It's like a tasty backstage tour of where all the cooking magic begins. By the time we pick our favorites, you can feel the realness of this experience. Now we are in a place with lots of fresh veggies, like a veggie heaven. It smells really good, and the stalls are filled with all kinds of colorful vegetables. Look here, loads of juicy tomatoes, a pile of crispy greens, and basket full of different vegetables. It's like the feel of freshness. I can sense someone is getting hungry as she is leaving the market now and going through a food stall. Voila, we have discovered some nice Vietnamese street food. I will ask Sun to describe about it.
Very big portion, 10,000 each. So this is young tofu with the caramelized sugar and ginger and dry ginger. It's hot and a bit sweet, very good taste. Thanks guys. I start first, yeah.
So what is this? Mix of
No, it's not mixed, it's young tofu.
tofu.
Yeah. Young tofu.
What is this on top?
Caramelized syrup.
Caramel.
Yeah, caramel syrup and ginger and dry ginger. Yeah, very nice flavor.
It's flat but have a very nice soothing texture. Thank you.
Alright friends, our adventure in the lively market has come to an end. Time really flew by, didn't it? It was a quick but fantastic journey into the heart of Vietnamese flavors. We hope you have enjoyed it as much as we did.
Cho Huyen. Cho Huyen. That was it for today. We have covered the market and the name is
Now we want to hear from you. Tell us what you loved about this short but sweet exploration, and more importantly, what you'd like to see next. Is there a specific place, cuisine, or experience you are curious about? Your feedbacks mean the world to us, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep those suggestions coming and let's make the adventure more epic. See you soon.